How to shuffle Apple Music on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Music application on your phone. The Music app is used for playing music from your personal library and for streaming from the Apple Music catalog, which requires a subscription. As you can see, you will then be taken to the Music homepage. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Radio. On this page, select any radio to play from the options. Here, tap on the Now Playing screen below to open it. On this screen, tap on the 3 horizontal bars at the bottom right corner. And then, tap on the shuffle icon as shown to shuffle and play the songs. Following these steps, you can easily shuffle Apple Music on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.